Hello, welcome to our Thai stocks analysis. Alright, so last week is a Chinese New Year, so I skipped 1 week of recording. And let's see, okay, right now what is happening in the Thai market. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed this channel, please click the subscribe button or like this video. You can actually receive this free video. We try to do it weekly, but it's really good updates on what's happening in the Thai market. Okay, so please, okay, click the link to subscribe, click the like button. It will definitely help this YouTube channel. All right, so let's get started. Okay, what's happening last week, right? Okay, so you can see that this is the stock Jasmine. Okay, JTS is the leader. Leader means this stock is the champion of 2022 and of course 2021, right? So this is the champion. So this stock leads the market. Okay, it's the biggest winner. So JTS is to me, right, it's very important. Okay, it's very important. If the market is still good, then this will be the stock that is running. Okay, so you can see that last week, is the market good or not? Okay, is the market good or not? Okay, the market is good. Okay, the market is good. But however, okay, the closing is not that good, right? The closing is open high, close low. So open high, close low means what? Means that during the Friday session there is some selling. Okay, so when you see this kind of scenario, okay, what does it mean? Okay, so first of all, okay, when the stock have a blue arrow, this is the best time to get in. When the stock is running, so this is not the best time, right? And then when the stock is resting, this is the time to get in, right? So there will be time to run, time to rest, time to run, and time to rest, and time to run, and time to rest. So now what's happening here? Now what's happening is JTS already run. Okay, JTS already run. So in today's video, right, in this week video, right, okay, what is important now? Okay, what's important? The important thing is the market, okay, going to rest or continue to run? Okay, if you haven't get into the market, I think it's too late. All right, so right now you can see that JTS is running. So what we want to see is what other stocks, okay, what are those stocks that we highlight in our previous video. Okay, in our previous video, what are some of these stocks? Okay, how are they doing? Okay, how are they doing? And from here, right? Okay, we see that how many of them are really good ultimate bull stocks. Okay, so overall market stage, right? Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see PSG Sabai first. Okay, so if you see PSG, okay, if you see PSG, right, this is also one of the leader. Okay, so this week what happened? Okay, it started to run, but the week before it is a terrible pullback. Okay, so this stock, okay, it's not good. Okay, it's not good. So it might go into this kind of a scenario again. So for us, right, next week if it doesn't run anymore, then you probably want to scale out of this position. Okay, why? Because we don't like to wait like this in case it drops. Okay, of course if it go up it's good, but in case it drop. Okay, so first of all, if you read my book, right, okay, if you read my this book, right, okay, Win Big Lose Small. Okay, so my book say that I mean, not my book say that, I say that, okay, I say that, like, you want to know what you want. So is this kind of drop the thing you want? Okay, but to me, right, what I see is I don't like this. I like this go up very quickly, but I don't like when the stock go down very quickly. So this is not what I like. Okay, so over here, okay, let's see other stocks. So from me, right, okay, I will take out this PSG. Okay, I'll take out PSG. It's no longer the best stocks in the market. Okay, so I look at, okay, so Sabai, right, if you see this, right, Sabai is good. Okay, but what you see here is Sabai is taking a break. Okay, it's taking a break. So this is a very huge run. Okay, and then after that, now it's taking a break. So far the break is looking healthy, okay, healthy. Although right, this is a big run. So now it's taking a break. So the question is, will it start to break out or not? Okay, will it continue the journey or not? So next week you want to see if it breaks $3 and $31.50, $32.50. So these are the plays that you want to see next week. So far the smart money is still in. There is a profit taking over here, SMI 100%. So when SMI is 100%, you want to know that this is a profit taking, and right now everything looks normal. It looks normal. So like what I say, if there's no breakout, then this support level is very important. If it breaks down, that's the end of it. Okay, that's not good. Okay, so let's see next week. Still can put in the watch list. Still consider one of the strong stocks. Okay, so next one is CMO, right? So let's try and take a look at CMO. And what do you see? Okay, what do you see? CMO is doing very well. Okay, it's doing very well. It's one of the best stocks. And this stock has gone up since September. Has gone up about 900%. So this is, I think, compare with Jasmine, right? Okay, GTS, right? Okay, Jasmine Telecom. Okay, Jasmine since September, okay, is only 300%. So the next stocks that you want to be in your watch list, right, is this CEN. Sorry, not CEN. CMO. Okay, CMO. So CMO, what stock is this? Okay, what stock is this? What sector is this? Okay, just take a look. Okay, industrial, business service, whatever, right? Just make sure that you know how to get in, how to get out, how to set stop loss. Okay, so over here we have a system like this. This is a top signal. So when you see the top signal, okay, the red color, this is telling you that, okay, if you break out of this top signal, this is an entry point. If you break out of this top signal, this is an entry point. If you break out of this signal, this is an entry point. So there's two ways to enter. One is the blue arrow. This is the last week, right? If you follow, you make good money for this week, right? Okay, so that is how you can enter into this kind of stocks. Okay, so I think some of you, right, might be worried. This kind of stock go up so much. Is it dangerous or not? Okay, the very important thing is this. Okay, the very important thing is you want to see the smart money. If the smart money is in, you don't need to worry so much, because right now is a bull market. You don't make money now. When do you want to make money? Right? This is the best time for Thai stocks. Okay, that's why I am making English video for Thai stocks. Okay, because this is the best time. If you don't make money now, the next round will be the bear market. Okay, then think about it. How is it easy to make money in the bear market? Do you want to buy and hold for 5-6 years just to break even? The answer is no. So now is the time. Okay, now is the bull market. If you can see stocks move like this, okay, and you can see a leader in the stocks. These are leading stocks, okay, and if you can see more than one stock is doing this, okay, like JTS, CMO, and if you can see stocks like CEN, okay, they are having new high. So move and rest, move and rest, move and rest, move and rest. So these are the typical stair steps pattern. Okay, typical stair steps pattern. These are the best stocks in the market. Same thing. Click on the net. This is what we call this is sector info. Sector info. This is actually one of the best stocks in the sector. Okay, so it's a steel industry. So if you know that some other place, right, in let's say in other market, okay, in other market like in US, we trade this Alpha Metallurgical Resources. Okay, these are some of the best stocks, right? Okay, if you trade Malaysia, okay, you got like this kind of like P metal stocks has been doing well. Steels, aluminium in the US, Aqua, okay, these steels, metal stocks, they are doing well. So you want to understand not only just the Thai stocks, but also know that other stocks is also doing well, right? So all the others like other steels companies, okay, they are doing well. But the best, okay, you want to buy in the best. You want to get into the the best uptrend stocks, which is CEN. Okay, this is the small candle on the retracement, big candle on the up day. Small candle on the retracement, big candle on the up day. Okay, this is still one of the best stocks. And the good thing is what? This not yet move. Okay, this is the not yet move one. Okay, so the not yet move one, I will say this one CEN is a not yet move. Okay, let me just put back my previous study. Okay, so my previous study, we have some of these stocks, right? So CEN is now here. Okay, so previously we talked about ACC, WISE, NCL. Let's see quickly. Okay, let's see quickly. ACC, how is it doing? ACC still resting. Not a very good week. Not a very good week, but still resting. Also, odd one out from the other stocks in the same sectors. Still uptrend. Not that fantastic. Okay, not that fantastic. Smart money still in, but lesser. Okay, so this kind of stocks, you want to have a stop loss. Okay, have a stop loss. Anything wrong, we get out first, right? Okay, so what else? WISE. Okay, WICE. How's it doing? Okay, this week. Okay, look at the past 5 days. Okay, look at the past 5 days. It's good, but the ending is not so good. The ending has a 3 days down. So next week, okay, on Monday, if there is a good candle, right? This is a good entry as well. Okay, that means supposedly you're supposed to enter at this day, right? But now, for those people who never enter, if there's a good candle like this, okay, can you see that? Okay, it pulled back for 3 days, and then there's a positive candle, and that will help to move the stocks. If it's a negative candle like this, negative one, not good. Okay, if it's a lower one, not good. Okay, if it's not good, if it's not lower than previous day low, and it's a positive, then it's good, right? So let's see on Monday. Okay, on Monday, is the stocks right going to have a candle like this? If it's a candle like this, very good. Okay, if it's a candle like this, very good. Okay, two days, very good. This is like a cup and handle. Okay, like this pattern. So we want to see turnaround. So this already turned. So now it's testing the support. So if the support validates, this stock can still go higher. So smart money is still in. That's why we still can keep it in the watch list. Okay, so WISE Logistics, same thing. In the global market, shipping stocks, logistics stocks, they are doing well, right? They're doing well. They're still in as a strong sector. So WISE, NCL, right? NCL. Let's see, NCL. NCL have a good day, good week. Okay, why I say good week? Good week is because it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 days up, 1 day down only. So this is a very strong setup. Very strong setup. Same thing if it I think probably have a top signal. So over here, if there is a breakout, this stocks, right, might run even faster. So over here, this is the example. There's a top signal and then it break out. So you will see the rocket fly. And somehow this stock has been consolidating for many months. Okay, so these stocks will have one of the biggest potential. Okay, if this kind of like the smart money, right, wants to push. Okay, so if smart money want to push, this is just the beginning. This is just the starting. This is a big reset. Okay, it's a reset, and in technical terms, right, this is a very classical consolidation. Very supposed to have a big breakout. The same thing. Okay, logistic company. So logistic company, you can see that this is an NCL. You got WISE. You got other sectors, other stocks as well. So logistic overall is strong, right? Okay, so you want to be in a logistic. Okay, so what's next? So still good. BOL. Okay, let's see BOL. Okay, BOL not that fantastic. Okay, not that fantastic, but it's a bottom. Okay, it's a bottom signal. Okay, this is a bottom play. So let's see if this bottom is valid. So far it's valid, but for people who wants to trade this, now is a very tricky situation. Now it's at the support level. Okay, so now if your entry is here, your stop loss must be very, very tight. Very, very tight. Okay, so it's a low risk. Okay, it's a low risk entry, but you know the chances of it breaking the low is pretty high. Okay, the chance of it breaking low is higher. But if it's not breaking, then this, okay, it could be one of the best time to enter. Okay, this could be one of the most beautiful entry point. Okay, if you look at this kind of like entry point, right? Okay, you can see that there is a like, you know, entry point, you know. So when you pull back near the purple line, this is the support level. When you pull back, so now it's just on top of the purple line. So there's a good chance that this stock will rebound. Why? Okay, why this stock? There's a good chance. Okay, because you can see that this drop, okay, this drop, it follows the US market and it follows, like, you know, the global market, right? Okay, but in what we call, in the last few session of the US market, stocks like Amazon, okay, went up. Like last night is up how much? 16%, 13%. Stocks like C Limited, all these, they start to rebound. Okay, they start to have this like a cup and handle, mini cup and handle pattern. So there is a good chance, you know, these kind of names like Business Online, BOL, okay, they have a good chance to be at the bottom right now. Okay, so same thing. If you look at this QQQ, right? Okay, QQQ is a Nasdaq ETF. Nasdaq ETF also had this bottom signal, and so far it is holding up very well. So there is a good chance that this is the bottom. Okay, this is the bottom. 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 So this is bottom signal. It comes out infrequently, not very frequent, but when it comes out and the market seems to agree with it, okay, then there's a good chance that this BOL might be at the bottom. All right, so let's take a look what else. Okay, plan B. Okay, we don't have plan B. Let's see, plan B. Plan B, not fantastic. Okay, not fantastic. It's been too long. The drop has been too long, and last week it didn't have a very good week. Okay, so plan B is not that fantastic, but still it is still one of the stocks. Okay, I will take it out. Yeah, I don't want to have too many stocks. Okay, I don't have too many stocks, so let's take this out. Okay, so logistic is still strong, metal is still strong, and previously we talked about some oil stocks, energy stocks, right? So stocks like Gulf, is it still strong? Is it strong? So Gulf is still strong, still good. So this is a pivot point. So there's a blue arrow. So Gulf have a good chance of making this kind of move. So next week, the stocks in play is, one of them is Gulf. Okay, so let's take a look at short-term blue arrow. Look at SET. Okay, look at SET. Okay, so you got like petrochemicals, Gulf. Okay, so forest and wood, this is very strong in Malaysia. Okay, Malaysia, wood stocks, right? Forest and wood stocks is all very strong. So let's see, among all these, the most favorite stocks, Gulf, SKN, this one, Donghua. This is a bit like kind of like hit and run kind of stocks, hit and run. So there's a chance, but still depend on the big players. This one is not that consistent. So the rest, okay, let's see how many of them have a good opportunity. Workpoint, too much of a consolidation, too sideways. This is good, okay? This is good. ASK. You see the uptrend? You see the uptrend line I draw? This is good, okay? So I will put blue arrow is a ASK. I'll put GULF, Gulf, and ASK. Okay, so you go down again. This have a good chance. Okay, not bad. This is not bad. Or just see what is this. Richie Place. Okay, so let's see what sector. Okay, real estate development. So the rest, if you look at other stocks like land and house, these are strong sectors. Okay, so land and house, these are strong sectors. Okay, so Ritchie Place. Okay, Ritchie Place is also one of the stocks, right? So okay, so you can take a look at these two, right? Ritchie Place and okay, land and house. Okay, these are the strong sectors. Okay, some stocks that's in play. Everland, also real estate. Okay, seems like real estate is in play. Okay, so you can see two stocks is real estate. So seems like real estate is in play. So same thing, you want to keep an eye on this. Keep an eye on this. Okay, so food and processing, the rest is low volume. This is CEN, very nice. Okay, and the rest, this is also not bad. This is also quite nice. So you want to put it in your watch list. Okay, so put in a watch list. Heavy equipment, industrial, but the volume is a bit too low. Okay, this is also a pretty strong stocks, right? Previously we talked about like the Gun Cow. Gun Cow is still good. Okay, still good. So same thing, this 3-day down is just like follow the market or what, right? So if you can see a small little candle, okay, if you can see that it goes like this, these are the entry point. So probably there will be a top signal. There's no top signal, but okay, still not top signal, but overall the whole idea is the same. Okay, so whole idea is the same. So if you can see it turns around like this, then it's a good opportunity. So this Gun Cow, you want to put in a watch list. Okay. All right. So what about the first blue arrow? First blue arrow. Is there any stocks? First blue arrow. 5 days ago. Okay, with a bit of smart money. Okay, and what do you see? Okay, what do you see? So what are the stocks? There is a strong. Okay, nothing much. Okay, so okay, all these are very random. Their trend is not steady. So I'm not looking at all this, so we'll just go through very quickly. Okay, we'll just go through very quickly to see if there's anything that is interesting. So this one, JMT. Okay, so JMT, nice looking chart. Okay, nice looking chart. So out of the 5 days, there's 2 days that's very strong, and these 3 days not even cover this candle. So next week, this stocks, if you see this, is a good sign. The candle is above previous day high. This is a good sign. Okay, so JMT network, this has a potential. Okay, like this, right? Okay, what I'm showing you is that the stock is down, and then you see this. If this day you never buy, next day when this haven't go up so much, you still can buy, right? So that's how it works. What's happening right now? So you got a strong upward move. You got a strong upward move. You got a pullback. So this is a pullback. This is a pullback. So next move is this move. Is there going to be another move like this? You want to get this opportunity. So this is one of the stocks that I want to watch next week. So just JMT. Okay, is this one of the best stocks? Yes, this is one of the best stocks of the year. One of the best stock of the year, about 80%. Not that fast, but there's a chance. Okay, there's a good chance here. Okay, steel counters, not bad. This is not bad. Same thing. Okay, it's a big candle. So if next week, if there's a small white candle, it's still potential. The rest, I think. Arin, this one is a bit speculative, too fast. Not easy lah. Too fast is not easy. Okay, so overall, okay, this is another stocks, real estate development. Okay, so real estate development. So this is the sector you want to be in. This is the sector you want to be in. So you got like Origin. Okay, you got like this land and house. Okay, so you want to be in one of the this property. Okay, property, metal, oil, real estate. Okay, so in your portfolio, right, you want to have logistic stocks, you want to have oil stocks, you want to have this like this real estate. Okay, you want to have real estate, oil, all these stocks. Okay, so over here that is the thing here. Okay, so you want to have logistic. Do you have logistic stocks? Do you have metal stocks? Do you have oil stocks? Do you have real estate? Okay, if you don't have, then you are not in the strong sector, right? Okay, so over here the rest, I think nothing much already. Okay, let's quickly go through. Okay, so Asia Soft. Okay, Asia Soft also same thing, but it's a bit extended for the short term. Okay, so Asia Soft, if it goes like this, right? So you can see like first blue arrow, and then sideways, 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 small candle. So you can see a small candle, it's a good entry. So now is up. Okay, now is up. If it goes sideways, 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 then this is a good entry. So next week we hope that this stock, pulls back a little bit, or have some sideways actions. Overall, Asia Soft is one of the strongest stocks, right? Okay, so still have a potential, still got chance. Okay, but the whole sector is not doing that well, so that's the problem. Okay, so the rest, nothing much. Donghua, okay, nothing much already. Okay, so last one, right? So let's take a look at top signal breakout. Is there any top signal breakout? So over here, okay, you rank it up with a power 6 months so that the strongest stocks will appear. So this is a Nation Broadcasting first day, so we don't know. So if they go sideways a little bit and break out, this could be a stock to watch. Okay, so this is a very nice top signal breakout. So this is a top signal breakout. So it's working. Okay, top signal breakout is working. Top signal breakout is working. So KKP, this is a nice one. So this is a nice one. So this one you want to be watching for top signal breakout. Okay, top signal breakout. So KKP. Interesting week. Okay, next week is a good opportunity. So KKP. Okay, KKP. Very good. This is a very nice one. Okay, so you have two success scenario, one success scenario over here. This is a successful scenario. So top signal breakout. This is a short-term trade. You make money and then you sell 60-70% quickly. Okay, so what else? Banking. Okay, banking is a sector. IFS. This is not that convincing. This one, G Capital, not very sure. Okay, not very sure. This one not so convincing. This one, NCL, maybe got chance, but still not very sure also. Property development, fashion, this is a CPO, this is unlikely. Very sideways volatile. These are all sectors. Okay, these are pharmaceuticals. This one maybe. Okay, I like top signals with a few days consolidation. So you can see that this down. So this kind is a nicer looking one. So LANNA. Okay, so this one also probably have a first blue arrow. So this is possible. And this one have a big trend before, So there is some chance over here. And this coal, right? Coal is a strong sectors. Okay, it's a strong sector. So AMR, right? This we talked about it just now. AMR is a coal stocks. So in Hong Kong, Yenzhou coal, right? So all these coal, right? They have been doing well. Okay, so coal stocks. Okay, coal stocks has a potential. So what stocks was that? LANNA. Okay, so top signal breakout. LANNA. Okay, so I think this video is getting a bit too long. Okay, this is not a good one. So that's it for the whole market analysis. Okay, so all this I never really look at it. So just ignore the rest. Okay, just ignore the rest. Okay, all these have to be deleted. Okay, so I just did Ultimate Bull. This is the best Ultimate Bull stocks. I just did the strong sector. You want to be in logistic, metal, oil, real estate. Yeah. Okay, metal and coal. Coal is like oil and commodities, right? These are commodities. And blue arrows, high potential, ask Gulf JMT. Top signal breakout for short-term trades, KKP and LANNA. All right. So yes, I think next week is going to be an exciting week, a good week for Thai stocks. Okay, so yes, if you make some money, please let me know in the comment. Please let me know if you are our student. Please let me know in this Telegram group. Okay, so that it encouraged me to continue to do this video. Okay, it takes up my time to do this video, and hope you can like, subscribe, and leave some comment below, and also share with your friends. Okay, share with your friends that share in some groups. Help me to share this video. All right. So thank you very much. Okay, I see you in our next video. Okay, so good luck, everyone. I think it's a good market. It's a good market. I think definitely most of you can make some money, right? Okay, see you next time. Bye.